calculated as miles per hour, but life is calculated as smiles per hour. So increase your smile to get extra mileage in life. AirAsia has ceased its operations in Japan to reduce cash burn as COVID-19 has hit the airline and travel industries. The airline reported its largest loss on record at $238 million in the second quarter ended June 30. It would be extremely challenging for us to continue operating without any certainty of a post-pandemic recovery path, AirAsia said. COVID-19 cases in India crossed 66 lakh mark, recoveries near 56 lakh. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 66 lakh 23,815 as 74,442 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 1,02,685 while 55 lakh 86,703 coronavirus patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 9,34,427 are active. Government is yet to finalize its decision on phase 3 trials of Sputnik V, Russia's COVID-19 vaccine candidate, Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan said on Sunday. The clarification was issued after Hyderabad-based drug maker Dr. Reddy's Laboratories sought permission from the Drugs Controller General of India, which is DCGI, to conduct final stage human clinical trials of the Sputnik V vaccine in India. 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine has been awarded jointly to Harvey G. Alter, Michael Houghton and Charles M. Rice for the discovery of hepatitis C virus. The 2020 laureates' discoveries revealed the cause of the remaining cases of chronic hepatitis and made possible blood tests and new medicines that have saved millions of lives, Nobel Assembly said. Saudi Arabia allows Umrah pilgrimage after 7-month pause. Saudi Arabia on Sunday allowed pilgrims residing in the country to perform Umrah after the 7-month pause due to coronavirus pandemic. This year has been heavy and full of tragedies. I am praying for God's forgiveness for all mankind, one of the pilgrims said. Pilgrims from abroad will be allowed to perform the pilgrimage from November 1. Total 187 professors, students and staffs at the IIM in Bangalore have written to PM Narendra Modi condemning the Hathras incident. We demand justice for the girl who died under the brutal attack without resource to good medical care, they wrote. We demand justice for the family who was even denied access to participate in her last rites, they added. CSK captain MS Dhoni has become the second wicket-keeper in IPL history to take 100 catches. Dhoni achieved the feat after taking the catch of KHIP captain KL Rahul off Shardul Thakur in their IPL 2020 match on Sunday. Dinesh Karthik was the first wicket-keeper to take 100 catches in IPL and has now taken a total of 103 catches. Scientists developed AI tool to identify COVID-19 cases via CT scans. University of Central Florida has claimed an AI algorithm could be trained to classify COVID-19 pneumonia in X-ray scans with up to 90% accuracy. Researchers trained a computer algorithm to recognize COVID-19 in lungs CT scans of 1,280 patients. They then tested it on CT scans of 1,337 patients with lungs diseases ranging from COVID-19 to cancer and non-COVID pneumonia. London bans Ola, says over 1,000 trips made by unlicensed drivers. Transport of London, which is TfL, the city's transport regulator, said it has refused to grant Ola a license to continue operations in London after discovering failures that could have risked public safety. TfL added that it saw various breaches in Ola's operations, including unlicensed drivers and vehicles undertaking more than 1,000 passenger trips. Ola said it would appeal against the decision. JNU Entrance Examination 2020 conducted by National Testing Agency has begun today. More than 2 lakh aspirants have registered for the computer-based test. NTA has appointed over 120 city coordinators and 80 observers for the exam who underwent orientation program as per COVID-19 protocols. 1,600 jammers have been installed at exam centers to deter candidates from cheating. In 1859, 24 rabbits were released in Australia. Within 6 years, the population grew to millions. This is how a peacock looks when flying in the air. Only few people get a chance to see these birds flying. In memory of his mother, a boy tattooed this. It's the sound waves from her last voicemail she sent to him. According to a Harvard psychologist, dogs are probably dreaming about their owners when they sleep. Unilever generates 8,000 crore in revenue every week. 7 out of 10 households on this planet use at least one of Unilever products.